And so we just wanted to give you an example. So
Yeah.
it's too hard.
Yeah, so we gave you something a bit easier. And I did that with the cup car for you. Yeah, you got to catch him and pass him. Don't hit him. Because it'll be like...
You're not playing road race.
Yeah, exactly right. Not bumping cars.
You
See
get
the...
behind first and then you swing around to go around.
Yeah.
Go a bit faster.
Yeah. Two of them. Wow. You just went past them without drafting.
Nice.
Get back on the track. That's it.
Beautiful.
Up there.
It gets a bit confusing because the car goes on an angle because you don't.
Yeah.
But you're doing well because not a lot of people can handle that.
No.
And you can handle it, which is really amazing.
That is amazing. And that's her first time.
I know, Shane. I think Shane's about as amazing as I am.
Yeah.
The fact that she can handle it when
Because
it comes on,
I've seen...
It freaks me out.
And I've tried to teach... And
It's good. It's one lap.
I've tried to teach Jan...
You've one more lap to go.
Yep.
5 laps.
I tried to teach Jan how to drive, and she was not like this.
Wait, where is he going?
Yep. Yeah, I see you going on the inside. Careful, go back up before you run out of time. Go back up. Up.
We'll put you up there itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Well done.
No, still got one lap. Okay, don't let them pass them.
They're passing.
No, they won't. You'll be passing them. You'll pass them. Get back up, though. Up near the car. Get up, drafting. That's it. Draft behind the black one. Jump up behind the black one. Yeah. No, you just keep going. Keep going. You still got one lap.
You're down the bottom too long.
Yeah. You've got to stay on this side.
Stay on this side.
You can't go down there because that's out of bounds.
Right side. Yep, the right side of the line.
Yep.
Inside.
Up that side. Yep.
The yellow?
Where you are now.
Here, this is the right side.
This is the right side. Not down there.
Not the left side.
Right.
Yep.
This is the right.
And you're doing really well, Dale. You're staying on the inside.
Because I feel like it's really...
Yeah, it's a real car.
Except I'm struggling with my legs because it's...
Yeah, because you can't, yeah, I know, because you can't move. I must admit, the only thing I can't change.
No.
But the music seat.
Now you know why.
But you get used to steering wheel being up where it is.
Now you know why I bought a Corolla.
It actually feels comfortable.
Yeah.
Even doesn't know who you are.
Yeah.
It's weird.
But you know what? We looked at all the cars to buy, second-hand car. I wanted a Focus. I couldn't even put her in because she couldn't even get anywhere near the pedals with the seat full forward. And the other problem with the Focus, you couldn't see over the wheel.
I can be a racing driver now.
Yep.
Yep. One more lap to go.
Well done, Dale. You're staying on the bloody track. I can't believe it. You're finished now.
Thank you. I feel like still driving.
Another go if you want.
No,
You want to have another go?
my leg is a bit sore down.
All right.
That's right, hang on. Lean forward.
Lean forward, Dale.
I'll get off for you.
Thank you. I need to stretch my leg.
Stretch,
You
walk it
didn't
off.
use mine, darling.
No, I couldn't because it was closed.
I didn't know how it was, isn't it?
No, because it said that it didn't recognise my face.
Didn't recognise